Hi everyone, what's up? Y'all have seen my bathroom before. Y'all know whenever we start a video in the bathroom what's about to happen. I'm looking crusty, dusty, musty, but we know this already. I've been gelling my hair for the past week straight. I've been working out. I'm just not looking my best. In my other video though, y'all saw me go to Target. We picked out a bunch of new things to try. I thought we would do a little self-care video, but at home. Kind of like a little pamper video. Not me and my Apple Watch. I am that bitch. But I thought I would spice it up a little bit, and if y'all are stressed out and y'all came to this video for like a little escape, well, you just wait. This is about to be an escape back to elementary school circa 2012, 2013. You're coming home from school, you go on your iPod or your iPad, you click YouTube, you click on the newest Bethany Moda video, and she's doing like a little night routine. Yeah. This video is about to be that. Are you ready? Let's switch the lens. All right, let's get into it. By the way, this video is sponsored by Karma. It's an app and Chrome extension that ensures you never miss a price drop or a coupon code. Y'all can check the link down below. Here I am looking crusty, dusty, musty, but we'll fix that in a sec. I swear I've been shaving in like 2 months. Oh, look at this cute little transition shot. Do you feel like you're watching Bethany Moda yet? First, I go and I grab my kettle. Oh my God, wait, hold on. Did y'all see that shot for a sec? Like, oh, she put in the work. She put in the hours. But I do boil my water, and then I'm going in with this David's tea set. It's like this holiday set, and it comes with like a bunch of different teas. This would be a really good gift for someone for Christmas. But speaking of Christmas shopping, oh my God, have y'all been online shopping this season? Because I most definitely have, and I use Karma to plan and organize my holiday shopping in advance to get the best deals. And y'all know I'm always ordering things online to unbox for you guys in videos. Karma is an app and a Chrome extension, and it'll scan the web for coupon code and apply them to your checkout immediately. So if you're not using this, you're literally missing out on saving money. And as I said a million times before, I'm trying not to be such an impulsive buyer, and something about Karma that I love is that I can save an item that I've been eyeing on my wish list, and then it'll notify me every time that there's a sale, a price drop, or if there's just like a relevant coupon code, and then I'll buy it. You guys can download Karma's free Chrome extension through my link down in the description box below. I thrifted some super cute teacups from the flea market, but I'm using this tea steeper from David's Tea. It's not like your regular schmegler teapot, because when you push it on the cup, the tea comes out the bottom. This is a new raisin bread that I'm trying. I don't know if you know this, but I have an obsession with raisin cinnamon bagels, toast, anything of the sort. Raisin cinnamon, anything is good. Also, do you like oatmeal raisin cookies? Because I think that they're so good. Set my alarms for the night, put my phone down. No more phone for the night. Also, 3 iPhone 13s just laying around. I wonder if she's like doing a giveaway back to her subscribers, huh? Also, this raisin bread was like kind of burnt, but it's pretty good. So I'm doing a hair mask, but I'm first starting off by wetting my hair, because this Olaplex hair mask doesn't work unless you wet your hair prior. And then I'm just lathering it all in my hair and then just putting it up. I decided to do a face mask, and then I opened up my face mask drawer. Yes, I have a whole drawer dedicated to face masks, but I decided to use this ordinary one. It's like the really cool one that you saw on TikTok that went viral like 2 years ago. It kind of looks like a blood facial, but I don't know what it was, but it literally burned so bad, and I was so concerned. Like, I checked the back of the packaging and everything, because I was like, is this supposed to burn this bad? I don't know, but everyone uses it, so I'm thinking it should be okay. After 10 minutes, I washed that off, and then I went in with a different one. This is the Pharmacy Honey Potion one. This is a lot more gentle, and whenever you rub it into your skin and massage it, it starts to warm up. I think it's so cool. decided tonight I was gonna have a cute little bubble bath. So, you know, I poured that ish in there, turned the water on hot. 3, 2, 1. Look at how aesthetic my bathroom looks. It looks straight out of TikTok. I got this sunset lamp and skylight from Amazon, and then I just lit a candle, you know, just to set the tone, made a thumbnail, and I just enjoyed the rest of my bath, did some deep breathing, drank some tea, played with the bubbles, but honestly, it was really relaxing. Tonight, I decided to go for a little watermelon theme, so I used this watermelon raw sugar scrub, and this smelled so good. With a brand new 5-blade razor. I have a shave routine linked down in the description box below. I already made so many videos on it, but if y'all want an updated one, I could do that for you. But I just feel like having like a fresh shave leg or just body period always makes me feel so good about myself. Ooh, and I was feeling a little bit frisky and I shaved my toes too. And then I hopped my little booty into the shower. I hopped out the plane at LA. I'm kidding. I'm going in with this body scrub just because I thought it looked cool. To be honest, there was no reason. And then I went in with this Raw Sugar Kids body wash because, you know, we're going with the watermelon theme. And also, kids body washes always smell so much better. I tried using this brush, but honestly, it was doing literally nothing for me. So I went in with the loofah and scrubbed my body. Out the Olaplex hair mask, and then I went in with the Sol de Janeiro sample size shampoo and conditioner. Do not tell my orthodontist or my mom that I did this because they would kill me. I don't know if anyone else's parents got mad at them for using their teeth to open things because they were like, you're gonna ruin your teeth. But like, girl, I'm not gonna go walk to go grab some scissors while I'm naked in the shower. Like, come on now. But I used the conditioner first because I saw Lisette use her conditioner first, and I was like, ooh, I want to try that. And then I went in with shampoo afterwards. This little tool that I got at Target to scrub my hair extra good, and it felt so nice. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of this before, but this is a body toner. I don't know, the mist feels so nice on my skin, and it's supposed to help with acne or something. And then I'm going with this body serum. Have y'all ever heard of that either? I don't know, but we taking care of our skin real good today. This is a booby oil. Yup, a booby oil. My feet are actually so cracked, gross, and like crusty, so I used some Vaseline and I made love to my feet with my fingers. Ew, that sounded so gross. But then I put some socks on to, you know, lock in the moisture. It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say. This is actually the best lash serum ever. My lashes has grown so much from using this, and you don't even have to use it every night. So you're not supposed to go to sleep with your hair wet, so I'm just blow drying it, and I'm using this Olaplex oil. This also acts as a heat protectant, and then I'm also going in with this leave-in conditioner from Sunbum. I I bought this new toothpaste because I thought the packaging was aesthetic because you had to use this metal thing to, you know, turn it up. But I put it in my mouth and it tasted so bad. I was actually questioning what was in it because I've never tasted toothpaste that tastes like this. Like, isn't it supposed to be fresh and minty? This tasted like crap. Anyways, and then I went and cleaned my tongue because that's where all the smell is. You know, all that yellow stuff on your tongue, that's what's making your breath smell musty. And then I tried this new mouthwash. It like had to mix 2 solutions together. I felt like a little scientist. This also tastes like shit. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video and it brought you back to memories when you had nothing to stress about. You know, back in that era where the saturation was up super high and the only thing you had to worry about was like what outfit you were gonna wear the next day to school. Anyways, y'all can get the Karma shopping assistant down in the description box below using my link, but I will see you guys in the next video.